Today I will show you how you can change the logo size in Elementor WordPress theme. To change the logo size, first go to your WordPress admin. Here go to templates. Select your default template or whatever template you have. Click on edit with Elementor. Now go to header. Then go to site logo. Here in logo width, just move this style right or left to change the size of the logo. After that, click on update button to save the changes. Now go back to your website and refresh the page. There you go, that's how you can change the logo size in Elementor theme using Elementor. Now if this method didn't work for you, then you can use a custom CSS code to change the logo size. To do that, first go to your WordPress admin. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. On the left side, scroll down and go to additional CSS. Here enter the CSS code given in the description of the video. Keep the max height value as it is, don't change it. And also don't change the value of max width. Now you need to enter the width of the logo, whatever you want. Keep the height at auto, don't change it to anything. Once done, click on the publish button to save the changes. Go back to your website and refresh the page. So there you go, that's how you can change the logo size in Elementor theme in WordPress. If you need any more help, then you can comment down below in the comment section. Thank you.